To use Tick and Trin in a TradingView chart, start by opening the TradingView app and navigating to the chart section. Click on the Indicators button at the top of the screen and search for Tick chart. This will allow you to view market activity in real time, providing insight into market sentiment and order flow. Next, add the Trin index to your chart by searching for it in the Indicators section. The Trin index, also known as the ARMS index, is a technical analysis indicator that measures the ratio of advancing to declining stocks, and is used to gauge market sentiment and potential trend reversals. To add the Tick chart, click on the New Indicator button and select Tick chart from the list of available indicators. You can then customize the appearance of the chart, including the time frame and tick size. This will allow you to view market activity in real time and make more informed trading decisions. To add the Trin index, click on the New Indicator button and search for Trin index. You can then customize the appearance of the indicator, including the time frame and sensitivity. This will allow you to gauge market sentiment and potential trend reversals and make more informed trading decisions. When using the Tick chart and Trin index, it is essential to consider the context of the market and the overall trend. The Tick chart can provide insight into market sentiment and order flow, while the Trin index can provide insight into market breadth and potential trend reversals. Best practices for using the Tick chart and Trin index include monitoring the indicators in real time and adjusting your trading strategy accordingly. It is also essential to combine the indicators with other forms of technical and fundamental analysis to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the market. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the Tick chart and Trin index in your TradingView chart and make more informed trading decisions. Remember to always consider the context of the market and to combine the indicators with other forms of analysis to maximize your trading potential.